carbon fiber on Pagani is just different. It's absolutely gorgeous. Oh, this thing's crazy. Look at those air intakes. Looks like a 488 from the side. Is it an F8? Or is it a body kit? Is that an active scoop? Oh shoot, it's full completely exposed. What is up, guys? It is Stickers, and we are back with another video. Right now, we are running a little late. We are on our way to a Cars and Coffee over here in Huntington. It did start at 8. It's about to be 9. We're 5 minutes away, so we're not too far away. Don't know how it's going to be. I had some friends that went to San Clemente, so we're just riding solo. Just me today. But yeah, we are on our way to Cars and Coffee. No clue exactly what the name of this event is or anything about it, if I'm going to be honest. But I saw it was close. The few events that are usually hosted in Huntington are pretty good because they're really strict. Nothing stupid really happens, but we'll see. We'll see. No clue how it's actually going to be, but I will catch you guys when we're pulling up in about 4 minutes. I feel like I should be seeing some cars right now if there was actually a big event. Yeah, this is definitely not a meet. And we're going to mob to Cars and Coffee now because that is definitely not a meet. 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Oh. It's not until 10. Okay. We're going to the other one then first. Well, we goofed on that one, guys. Let's go to the other event. I thought this one was the 9 o'clock one. The other one was 10, but I was backwards. But I will catch you guys once we get over to the other event, because I goofed. Big goof. Some AMG GTs, a Porsche. And I'm flying, sipping low-key. We are over here at the, I think it's Oakley's main office. We will be back here tomorrow, because there is another event here tomorrow, because it is Car Week right now, Monterey. So tons of stuff is going on in preparation. Well, not Car Week. It's the week before Car Week. So a ton of stuff is going on in preparation for Monterey Car Week. Hopefully it's decent. Like I said, there were some cool cars just rolling in. There's R8 in front of us right here. Oh wow, they got full vendors and everything. One of the Bronco Raptors. Some Porsches. Yes, we got Porsche and Beamer row. Looks like there's some cool stuff over there. There's a lot of cool color Porsches. Got the rainbow. Full on rainbow out here. That's clean. Corvette with its hood popped. What happened? Oh, thank you. Oh, awesome. Alrighty. Nice. 19. Thank you.
I just got a V22 exhaust for mine. I'm just looking at the tune.
Oh, nice. Okay. Yeah. No, it's pretty ridiculous. It's ridiculous. Yeah. Yeah, you can't. You're definitely heard from distance with this one.
That's good.
Yes and no, because cops also love to hear you too.
I register mine in Tennessee.
Okay. Well, they still could fuck with you.
Yeah.
Yeah. If they pull you over 3 times, they can impound the bike permanently in 6 months. Mm-hmm. Doesn't matter if it's registered. That. Mm-hmm. 3 times in California, they pull you over 3 times, 6 months. They can take it and make you. Yeah. Be careful with that one. If you get your 2 on that 3rd one, and it's not tickets, it's just being pulled over in the system. Yeah. In a 6-month period for now. This is my second Aprilia. I had an RR before, and then I got the 1100 factory. This one I got in December.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. So I actually went there first. Was like, did I go to the wrong one? I looked it up and I was like, yep, this is the afternoon one. I didn't go to the morning one, but this actually looks decent. Well, tomorrow's gonna be bigger.
Oh, really?
They're having a big thing with Hyper NFT here tomorrow.
That's what the guy was talking about.
All right, well, nice to meet you guys. I'm Stickers.
Hey, bro. Nice
I'll see you guys around. Let's go look at this Corvette real quick. Oh, Roush Supercharged. Ooh, oh, that's a pretty color. Wow, that color is gorgeous. The 73 Mach 1 in this color. What do you guys think? Comment down yes or no. I think the 73 Mach 1 Mustang in this with 2 stripes would be mint. Got a big ass ice box. Must be pushing a little bit of power. Got some Lambo doors. That's a Nissan row. That's what we were walking with. Oh, that's a nice carbon wing. I think that's that new Lotus. Oh, this is the Chally. We love anything pink. Beautiful. Datsun? Ooh, the new GT3 RS. Lotus Galpin. Oh, Galpin with always the craziest. Not drinking beer today. What is this? Oh, two of them. Ceramic Pro. Nice. Some off-roading group. Titan wheels. Nice. Porsche has a lot of Porsches up here. Portable power packs. That's dope. That is dope. Rest in peace, Ken Block. Another Challenger with Lambo doors. Wait, is this who we know? Yeah, I know this guy. Where is he at? I don't know where he's at, but that thing is gorgeous. That thing's crazy. Look at those air intakes. Going to the brakes. Full on race. Got even the helmet. That's badass. Where you built in to set your helmet. Fuel tank in the rear. Good for weight distribution. Well, that's a nice body kit on that. Oh, that's a Urus Performante. I don't think I've seen one in person yet. If that is stock, how wide it is, that is absolutely insane. Whoa, if that is actually stock. Some nice wheels on it, but that matte carbon body kit that comes, if that comes on the Performante, that thing is mint.
Do you need a charger for your stuff?
Is that what they are?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I carry a little portable one around for that reason.
It is. So we made it out of aluminum, laser edge, 10,000 milliamps. Charge your phone twice or charge 2 phones.
Okay.
Digital display.
All right.
We'll charge 3 ports out or 3 ports in.
Oh, cool. USB-C. That's the biggest thing.
That's the best power in town. Look, my phone is dead and I'm going to even charge it.
You just touch it and it's fully charged or what?
Well, wait, you act now.
Adventure kit. It's a nice looking kit. Packaging is on point. Red.
Oh.
Thank you. Alright, I think that's everything here. Gold wheels on a yellow Porsche. I don't know how I feel about. Oh no, that's reflection. I'm guessing they're silver. I was about to be like, oh, gold on a yellow? Nope. Color scheme's nice on that Porsche. Got the GoPro mount on the rear window. That was probably a great POV. Oh my god, what is bro shooting on? How do you have a Porsche shooting on a... I don't even know what camera that is. Brother, get an Insta360, brother. Insta360. Hook us up with another one so I can hook this Porsche up so he's not running whatever that is. This is super dope. I'm glad I walked down here. If you don't know what this is, it says SRT10 right there because this has the same motor. I think it's the Gen 1 Viper. And they actually run... No, they don't. This has a 5-lug. Something crazy about the all Gen Vipers, they come with truck hubs with 6 lug nuts. This only has 5. I'm surprised they put this one on this, but big trucks usually come with 6 lug, and that's what the Viper has. And I guess this one has 5, but this under that hood, it says Viper right there. Has the V10 that the Viper motor has. And then going over here, something cool I just saw is the new Gen NSX and an old Gen pulled up. He put the Honda badge, but it's an Acura. This is actually a really good spec AMG GT, but I really like the NSX. I think it is one of the most slept on supercars. Yeah, I almost walked and missed a whole section of like the supercars. Pagani, Ford GT, don't even know what Porsche it is, probably expensive, GT3 RS. Pagani, probably the most elegant looking car ever built. Oh look, there's motorcycles up here. The carbon fiber on Pagani is just different. It's absolutely gorgeous with the roof scoop too. Twin turbo V12. Ford GT, not a black series, but a clean spec. Those wheels are dope. Well, what Ferrari is this? Looks like a 488 from the side. Is it an F8? Or is it a body kit? Is that an active scoop? Oh shoot, it's full completely exposed. Yeah, that's an that has to be aftermarket. 765. Oh, an SVJ. Wow, this color. Oh my god, look at those seat inserts. Don't even know the print color, but that is absolutely gorgeous. This spec is... Yeah, this spec is it. This is it. Wow. Not sure what this is, but with that big front motor is crazy. This was probably so much fun to drive. It's probably planted and just runs around. Oh, a double R. Ooh. This would probably be so much fun to take around the canyons. If I got a Cowie, it'd probably be a 6, but this would probably be a lot of fun. Now let's go look at what's inside Oakley. Oh, and they got liquid death over here. Nice. We're taking one of those. Oh, it's a full-on Oakley store. Never been in here. I've came and done photo shoots in the front of it, but I've never actually been in here. I remember when these came out. These are crazy. 0 of 20. That's crazy. All different types of Oakleys. Accessories, golf divot tool, bottle openers, some more dope ass glasses. I almost got a pair of Oakley back when I played golf. Oakley shoes? That's cool. Damn, those are futuristic looking. And yeah, I didn't even know they had a whole store near helmets. That's my motorcycle backpack, guys. So all the people that ask when I do ride around in a backpack and it's behind me, that's actually the backpack I use when I'm riding, guys. Just didn't decide to go big backpack, went with the hip bag today. Alright guys, this was a cool event. I'm glad I ended up walking that way because I would have totally missed half the supercars and stuff. Got to see inside. Like I said, I've never been inside the Oakley store. Got me a nice little liquid death water and an Alani. Thank you Oakley for giving out those. Alright guys, that is I think a wrap to this video. I'm going to go to a second event right now, see how it is. It is on my way home, so I'm like, might as well stop. We will see. Might see some other bike friends there, not sure yet, but we will be on our way there. So thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. I'll catch you guys in the next one. But you know what we'll do? Nope, I'm not starting it because we're on a hill. I'm going to be on the bike before I start it. Teaser, next video starting with me starting it. Deuces.